Okay, so in a soccer practice session, the football is kept at the center of a field, 40 yards from the 10 feet high goal post. So, 40 yards is equal to 120 feet. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So, 40 yard is 120 feet. So, here it is a goal post. This one is a goal post. So, it's 10 feet high. Okay, now the ball is at the center. Now the goal is attempted by kicking the football at a speed u is equal to 64 feet per second at an angle 45 degree with horizontal. Will the ball reach the goal? So the path of the ball will be a projectile path. So we can solve this problem in this way. We can consider equation of the projectile path. So choose that x and y axis like that one shown. So the equation is equal to y equal to x tan theta minus g x square by 2u square into 1 plus tan square theta. This was the equation of the projectile. The equation of the path of the projectile. So here y is equal to x tan 45 degrees 1. So g is 32 x square. G is 32 feet per second square. And into 64 square into 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus 1. So here we have to cancel this 2 and this 2 will cancel. So 32 and 64 2. So we get y is equal to x minus x square by 128. Now, so our plan is to do this thing that so what is the distance? What was the distance of the goal post? Is given as 40 yards, so 120 feet. Okay, so we will put x is equal to 120 and check whether y is greater than, equal to, or less than 10 feet. If y is less than 10 feet, then it will be goal. Ball will reach the goal post. If x is greater than 10 feet, then the ball will go over the goal post. And if x is equal to 10 feet, then it will hit the goal post here at the top point. So now let us substitute here x as 120. So x as 120, so y is equal to 120 minus 120 square divided by 128. So we get, so it's, you can take 120 common. So 1 minus 120 by 128. So what you get here is 120 into 8 divided by 128. So that's equal to 7.5 feet. So 7.5 feet means it will enter the goal, and the path will be like this. So this will enter the goal close to here. So the height as the value of y calculated at x equal to 120 is 7.5 feet.